Here are tips for replacing membrane switches. Identify the model and specification. Before replacing the membrane switch, it's necessary to confirm the model and specification of the old component. It ensures the new membrane switch to match the original one. Cut off power supply. When replacing the membrane switch, cutting off power supply first is necessary. It ensures safe operation. Remove the original membrane switch. While doing this, take care not to damage the surrounding components and circuits. Meantime, the anti-static measure is inevitable. Install new membrane switch. When installing the new one, pay attention to the direction and position to ensure correct installation. Be careful not to bend or damage the pins or wiring. Connect circuit. When connecting the circuit, pay attention to the correctness and safety to ensure that it is firm and reliable. Inspection and testing. They are required after finishing the replacement to ensure proper running and performance of the membrane switch.